Approximately 10,000 subscribers in just 4 months. I took so much time to achieve this milestone. But do you know, guys, in these 6 months, I have seen YouTube evolve very fast. In my 10,000 subscriber journey, I must have made thousands of mistakes, because if I hadn't done it, maybe these 10,000 subscribers could have been in 2 months. Well, out of my 10,000 subscriber journey, I am going to tell you 5 such mistakes that can save your 1.5 years from being ruined. But the 3rd and 5th mistakes are the biggest mistakes, which shouldn't be forgotten by any beginner. So, starting with mistake number 1, that is not having a customized logo and banner. A banner is something that your subscriber decides to subscribe to, and why do you have to do it? And if you don't have a clear and structured banner, your viewers can't decide to subscribe to you. So why do you have to do it? No matter how many views you get on your videos, you won't get a subscriber according to the videos. This customized and focused banner looks something like this. And by looking at your banner, the viewers should know which type of channel this is, what you are going to get on this channel, and why you will subscribe to this channel. If you use such a banner, then all the people who come to your channel, if they are interested in your content, won't even subscribe to you. I am 100% sure that you must have done a copy-paste video of any creator. Well, to be honest, I have done this, and every creator journey starts like this. But will your channel grow from this? Well, not at all. Copying and inspiring are both very different. Well, I never say don't copy. It is important to copy, and the famous creators you see today are inspired by someone and make content. But there is one difference between them and you, which is creator flavor. Whatever content you copy, add your taste and flavor, from which all the other creators see your content as different and unique. I will give you a small example. Think of a news channel in which there is a lot of news on a daily basis. But have you ever thought that one news is also shown on 10 channels? But if you see that one channel that entertains you more, basically, the news is the same, but 10 channels show it in a different way, which makes it unique. So now let's talk about mistake number 3, which was my biggest mistake. And I am sure you still make this mistake, which is listening to fake gurus. You can't even imagine that there are so many fake gurus on YouTube who just grab people's attention, click, and give you the same knowledge that will never come to your work. Like, take a paid subscriber or give an ad and promote the channel. Pay with the money and increase the cost. And there are so many fake tips with which no result comes, and in the end, you give up. And the only meaning of coming to my YouTube is that I can give you the right knowledge and expose all these fake gurus. So, now let's talk about mistake number 4. Focusing on subscribers, not value. Whenever a beginner starts his content creation, then he has a lot of expectations that one day his videos will be viral, and we will get subscribers in lakhs, and it will be money. But if you believe me, then you should not keep any expectation unless and until you already have YouTube experience. And our biggest problem is that we humans focus more on results rather than enjoying the process. Being a content creator is not that easy, but it is not that hard. If you enjoy this process, why don't you come to your videos? Then you will not be demotivated and you will work on your mistake, which can make you a successful creator. So now let's talk about the last mistake, which if you don't do, then chances of your growth will be more than 80% on YouTube. So mistake number just 5 is posting without any knees. I will explain this with an example. For a while, you think you are a fitness trainer and you like to upload gym and fitness videos. Now you have uploaded some videos which have a lot of views, and you believe that you like gaming and you have uploaded a gaming video on the same channel in which you have uploaded videos on fitness. And later in your gaming video, more than 50,000 views have been uploaded. Now, in this case, you will think that your growth is getting very good, and the next video you will upload will also get good views. But now, when you upload your fitness and gym-related videos, then YouTube will recommend those who are not in fitness and gym who are interested in gaming, and this will have a lot of effect on your reach. and instead of your reach, it will get down a lot. So one thing is clear, that you make videos on one knee, then it will reach your target audience, and the chances of your growth will be 80%. And believe me, guys, this is such a thing, which is more important than 90% in YouTube, and that is why your YouTube account is mentioned now. Make sure you make videos on one category and one list, so that YouTube won't have any problem in finding your target audience. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash the like button for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.